Welcome friends on our YouTube channel Logical Rajan. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about offline education versus the online education. Let's first talk about the online education. Online education is growing very fast these days. Many people prefer online education over offline education. So let's talk about the advantage of online education. There is no question that online learning is growing trend, but why is that? It's cheaper. Users can learn with any device that is connected to the internet. There's no need to rent a building or pay expensive utility bills that are required to provide students with a learning facility. In addition, students and teachers will no longer commute to class, thereby saving them money as well. The second point is it takes less time. Not only does eliminating the need to commute save money, but it also saves everyone time. Moreover, the teacher or trainer does not need to give the same class repeatedly to different groups of students. He or she only needs to prepare the content once and then share it with the different group at any time necessarily. It allows for self-paced learning. Students or trainees can take courses from their own device anytime and anywhere, so those who don't have time for traditional classes can learn online when they have the time. It's modern. Most people today prefer to consume content using the internet. The very fact that you are watching this video online is proof of that. We now use the internet to read the news, watch our favorite TV shows, chat with friends, book appointments, shop, and so much more. Considering all the convenience the internet has added to our daily lives, why should the education remain strictly traditional instead of utilizing the advantages provided by the internet? Now let's talk about offline education. Offline education is a traditional form of education. Let's take a look at advantage of offline education. Fixed schedule. It is easy to work in a fixed schedule environment. In such a place, most of the people will be on the same page. Group study. Since everyone or most of the people are going as per the order in which the teacher is teaching, it is easier to form groups and study together. Social interaction. Probably the most important of all the points has to be this one. Our character develops only when we interact with a lot of people. Offline classes give this advantage. Productive environment. Going to an offline class has the advantage that there is a fixed area for study. We get a sense of productivity and also get a long of things done due to a bit of competition among the peers. Authenticity. Cheating in an offline class is less possible as compared to the online class. Now we are going to talk about disadvantages of offline education. It's very expensive. Offline education is more expensive than online education. Travel time. A lot of productive hours can be lost due to traveling to the particular place. Lack of freedom. There is a lack of freedom in choosing the subjects that we want to study at a particular time. We are supposed to follow the set schedule of the teacher. So now the question arises that which of the two is good? Then my opinion is that both are good in their places. Both of them have their merits and demerits. It's depend on you that which of the two do you like the most, and also tell me your answer in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay at home and stay fit.